Jamaica's 3 entrants in this year's CFU Caribbean Club Championship will kickstart their campaigns on Wednesday as Harbour take on Dunbeholden in the old Jamaican tie at Sabina Park, starting at 5 p.m.
Harbour are no strangers to the CFU Championship. They are 2-time champions, having won in 2004 and 2007, but they have not competed in the competition for 16 years. So long ago that none of the current squad members has a clear memory of those days. But coach Ludlow Bernard knows the value of such a competition.
We see this as a resurgence of the club, and especially in light of the fact that CONCACAF seems to be paying a lot more attention to the advancement of the game in the region. You know, we figure that this encouragement is something that we should look forward to it, because it is now going to put our club and our players on a bigger stage.
This is virgin territory for Dunbeholden, who are still trying to make their mark on the local football landscape. Assistant coach Ricardo Smith was a member of Harbour's winning team back then. Their captain, Ricardo Thomas, also comes with such experience.
He has been through this before, and Coach Lenny has been coaching at this level before. At Harbour, I can remember he won this competition before, and so there are 2 people with experience there, the coach and a player, and probably another players out there. Damien Ayat went through this stage before, so yeah, we're good.
Thomas has been sharing the experience with his teammates.
Yeah, everything motivates some of the guys. They've been come to me asking me about questions about the league, and I've been telling them. So yeah.
Harbour have lost instrumental midfielder Krista J. Daly, but have brought in Ajuma Johnson from Arnett Gardens.
First of all, you know, I can't do it alone, you know. I have to do it as a team, you know, and I'm a team player, you know. And from long as the team playing good, you know, opportunity for other players.
One thing for sure, these teams know each other well. Wednesday's venue, Sabina Park, will bring back memories, as that's where Harbour beat Dunbeholden to win the Premier League title in 2022.
We know their style, but it's a new season, so you know that eventually they're going to have new players and stuff like that. So I just had to go out there and just do our best.
I would say it would have been in the past where Dunbeholden and Harbour challenge each other, but this is now the present. We definitely training together as a team, as Dunbeholden. So, you know, we're just trying to go out there and play our best and see who comes out victorious.
Jamaica's other entrant, Cavalier, will be in action on Thursday against Defence Force of Trinidad and Tobago at the Hazley Crawford Stadium. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.